In this topic, we're going to learn the most important features in Excel, that is find and replace. Apart from using go to special dialog box, there is one another features with which you can select very specific word or content within the cell. For that purpose only we are using this find and replace tool. For example, in this data set, the first column mentioned that roll number, right? Under this, you must be seeing that the roll number start with both AC and AB, right? In case if I just want to identify the content start with AC within that particular range, then we can use that particular tool called find. Let's see how it works. So I'm just going to select this area. After that, go to Home tab, and here you can see under Editing Group, Find and Select option, right? Just click on this. Here you can see Find. As soon as you click on this option, a small dialog box will appear here. That's called Find. Next to that, you can see Replace as well. We'll see how it works with few examples. So here, as I mentioned, my criteria was I want to identify the cell reference in which word content AC. So I'm just going to type AC here, AC. Okay. So as soon as I click on Find All, you can see the cell reference details here. For example, this is the book name here. That's a file name, working with cells and ranges. Under this, sheet number 1. Yes, sheet number 1, and cell number is A2. See, A2 AC is there, and value is 1 AC 1215. And second AC content and the cell number A4, right? You can see the A4 AC's content, right? We'll see whether it's A5 and A6 content. No, it's AB only, right? I mean 7 also AB. Next one is AC. Same is mentioned here as well, A8, right? See? So A2, A4, A8 content AC. So this content contained under cell reference A2, A4 and A8. So now you understood the basic purpose of this find option, right? Now let's look into the replace options. I'm just clicking on it. In case I just want to replace AC with AQ, I'm just closing this. In that case, we'll see how it works. Again, I'm just going to select this particular range. After that, you can go here, Home, and Find and Select. Here, not going to identify any particular content. I just want to replace the content with some other content, right? That case, for replacing, we have to click on Replace option. So you'll get the same dialog box. And to open this dialog box, every time you no need to go and manually select this option. Instead, you can use the shortcut key as Ctrl F. As soon as click on Ctrl F, you will get the same dialog box, right? I'm just going to replace. After that, find what? AC, right? Replace with what? AQ. So I'm just inserting AQ here. As soon as click on Replace All, you can see Excel itself giving some notification message telling that all done. We made 3 replacement, right? So instead of AC, here you can see AQs appear. Clear? I'm just closing this. So please do practice this. Let's move to next session.